upper part, I don't know how you say in English, but over there is a Mayan city. The name of the city is Miramar. That Mayan city was existing in the 800 year after Christ, and as well here in this hill here on the top is a Mayan little like a Mayan temple here in front of us.
Not the Tikal one, is it?
No, that means that the Mayans, they were controlling the river in the 800.
And we can go to those Mayan cities as well? We can go there too?
To the Mayan city? You have to ask permission to the village. It's a Mayan Quechua village. They take care of the city. You have to ask them permission.
So just beyond those trees is a Mayan city that we would have to get permission to go see. I would love to get permission to go see that Mayan city. Stop, so it's about to get juicy.
Do you know the national tree of Guatemala?
Yep.
La Ceiba. It's these two big trees here, one here and one here. Over there. That is La Ceiba.
La Ceiba.
Yeah, in all Mayan, in English they call cotton tree. In the all Mayan cities you will see that tree because for the Mayans that tree make communication with the universe and the over, how you call the other world?
And the world?
No, it's how you call the world in the middle of the earth?
Crater. Crater?
No. It's
like the underworld, but there is a name for it?
in Spanish as well.
What are you talking about hell?
Ultramundo.
Ultramundo, okay. So all these Mayans right here.
Yeah, they believe that that tree makes that connection.
Oh, nice. With underworld.
World, and the universe.
Yeah, those trees are huge. Well, who's living out there? The Mayans? Who's living out there? Mayans? Put it into your
We
work.
have 62% of Mayans. Now 23 tribes. They speak 9 different languages. They don't understand each other.
What's the name of this body of water? What's the name of this water?
Rio Dulce. Rio Dulce River.
The Luce River.
Yeah. Now I will show you a wall. In this wall, in the old times, the boats, they put names on the wall. You know Tarzan? Have you heard about Tarzan?
Tarzan, yep.
He was in the 1935. Here on this river.
1975?
1935.
35.
35?
Yes, sir. I will give you the link of the movie. It's a black and white movie.
Right.
He was with 5 tons of equipment for the movie.
I gotta look that up. I gotta
Here
watch
is a name of a boat. I will show you. And that boat is in the movie. The name is Kukulkan. It was a river boat. You know the river boat?
Yeah.
It's the one who has a big wheel on the
Yep.
back.
A lot of names on these rocks. All the Mayans.
That is the boat in the Tarzan movie.
Nice.
I told you that the Livingston was the only Atlantic port of Guatemala in the 18th century.
Wow.
Before the 18th century and the beginning of the 19th century, the Germans, they had a German embassy in Livingston, and still I can give you some pictures of the German embassy, and they were controlling Livingston port. And here is a name of a boat. This was a army boat or navy boat that came in the First War. In the time of the First World War, came to check the river and the lake, and has sense because the Germans they were controlling the river and they had an embassy in Livingston. Has sense because in the Second War, Guatemala went with the United States like a partner, and they kicked out all the Germans from Guatemala.
Nice.
Second War.
Now that white part up there, he said, that's a cave up there.
Guys, have you heard about the fossils? You understand the word fossil? Fossils.
Fossils.
Yeah, the fossils. The old
Fossils.
ones. Yeah, from the 1,000 years ago.
Okay.
In this part of the river, you can see fossils. And as well, if you go up on the top of the mountain, you can see fossils as well.
So they'll be up in the walls.
Yeah, I will show you. And that means that 1,000 years before was an ocean of this part. The people, they think that the river was a volcano vein, that exploded, had explosion. After the explosion, we had the river and the lake.
Nice.
For that reason, we have fossils here on the
the
down
wall?
part, as well on the up.
Oh, nice.
I will show you.
Oh yeah, show me.
I gotta get up here for this.
We see some fossils on the walls.
Look at the birds sitting in the tree.
Oh wow, there's actually some writings on the wall.
Here in the right side, you can see a city.
Yeah, I see there's a lot of writings on the wall too.
Like a chair. This where is this black part? You see?
Mm-hmm.
The round thing is fossil.
Oh yeah, you're right. A couple fossils we're looking at right here.
Yes, sir. He said bring it
Switzerland,
on.
they came and they made a test and they found that it's 100% purified water.
So all this water is purified water coming out of that pipe right there,
Through the rocks.
coming through the rocks. Yeah, we should have bought a bottle.
I got one right there.
A lot of little houses up on this river, the Mayans. I don't know if y'all can see those houses across the river over there. Well, I wish I could go see that Mayan city. You're just living on the land. Using what you got. The river.
In this curve, you can see the Garifunas with the Catholic priest bringing the flowers because they said, or Misa Legend, they were bringing a Mary Virgin from Rio Dulce to here, and was a gold Virgin Mary, and the cayuco or the boat sunk over there. For that reason, in the month of May, they bring flowers.
Really?
Virgin Mary.
In the month of May.
Yeah.
Oh, I looked that up. I wouldn't mind catching that. So he's saying the month of May, around this corner, the Garifuna will come out here with flowers on the boat. I guess put the flowers in the water for all the, because the boat sunk in the past. Just a way to, another way to honor the ancestors. Probably with a boat full of flowers and dump in the water. Those that lost their lives.
That was the Navy German boat that came to check the river in the First World War. Yes. They said the meaning of that German word is dark forest.
1914 on the red writing on the wall. The boat that the Germans had. Hopefully it's sunk to the bottom of this river.
18th century, they were the time of the Caribbean pirates. This river, they have a lot of stories or legends about pirates, and the name of this river has the name of a French pirate, Tata.
Tata.
Yeah, like you have a dessert with the name Tata.
Tata.
Yeah, it's like a
Yeah.
because he left family, and it's a book in Puerto Barrios with his name and everything. He was hiding here, and has a little bit sense because the end of the river is a cave, and the pirates they love caves.
This part of the river right here was a lot of pirates
Yeah,
over here.
and they put the name of the pirate to the river, Tata.
Okay.
Tata is like aunt.
Huh?
Tata is like aunt.
I definitely got to get that camera on my next one.
Yeah.
Every so much before what I was doing.
All those fishermen.
We are live.
Right. They really are jumping in.
Alors? Ah, si, attends.
It ain't that one.
Non, ça va aller, je pense. Non?
Look at him, he jumped in the water. Hot water springs. We just got off the boat. Pulled over to this nice bar over here that has some hot springs. This place is nice. Makes me feel like I'm in Rambo or something. Just riding down the river. Listen, people, if you've never been to Guatemala, you are in for a treat. Come to Livingston, Guatemala, and do a couple of these tours. I mean, they even go to different countries on these tours. Wow. Got Playa Blanca Beach, Playa de Palma Beach, and it's not even expensive to come here. So if you got a large family and you want to take your family on vacation, you don't have a whole lot of money, come to Guatemala. You know, go visit Habatenango, Antigua. There's a lot of ruins you can see. If you're looking for some good culture, come to Livingston, Guatemala, and do a lot of tours that they have over here. A lot of caves, river tours, beaches, plenty of things to do. I tell you what, Guatemala, you have definitely showed out. I am loving Guatemala right now. I wish I had came sooner. If Guatemala is not on your bucket list, definitely put it on.